Want to unlock the real power behind Tesla's mysterious 369 code? Imagine effortlessly manifesting your desires using just 3 simple steps a day. Today, I'll show you exactly how. The 369 method is based on Nikola Tesla's belief that these numbers hold the secret to the universe. When used properly, they help you program your subconscious mind to attract what you truly desire. Let's dive into exactly how you can start using it today. Step 1. Morning, 3 times. Right after you wake up, write down your intention 3 times. Keep it short, clear, and emotionally charged. Example: I am attracting abundant opportunities today. Step 2. Afternoon, 6 times. Midday, revisit your intention and write it 6 more times. Feel the energy behind your words growing stronger as your day unfolds. Step 3. Night, 9 times. Before you go to sleep, write your intention 9 times. Focus intensely on the feeling of already having what you desire. By repeating your intention in these powerful sequences, you align your thoughts, emotions, and vibrations with your goals, making manifestation almost inevitable. Thousands of people have started seeing incredible changes just by following this simple practice. Take Sarah, for example. She started using the 369 method to attract a new job. Within a few weeks, not only did she land an interview, but she got an offer better than she even imagined. If you want a shortcut to mastering this technique without overthinking it, there's a powerful system called the 369 Manifestation Code. It's designed to guide you through the 369 method automatically and help you manifest faster. You can check it out by clicking the link in the description or the top pinned comment below. I personally recommend it if you're serious about speeding up your results. Your subconscious mind is always listening. Every thought you repeat becomes a blueprint for your future. So choose your intentions wisely and practice daily faith in your dreams. Thanks for upgrading your mind with us today. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, drop a comment below sharing what you're manifesting, and subscribe for more weekly insights on manifestation, mindset mastery, and creating your dream reality. Remember, you are the architect of your future. Keep building it with purpose. Until next time, keep upgrading your mind.